What's up, guys? It's Emily. So we are back with Makeup Through the Years, and we are finally at, can you guys guess where we're at? We are at the 2000s. I'm so excited to do this one. Like I've said for all of them, obviously I've been excited for all of them, but certain ones I'm more excited than others, if that makes sense. So I got my makeup set up. I obviously researched all my stuff for this makeup look, and yeah, so hopefully I am pretty accurate with this. Let me know down in the comments if I'm close to the 2000 look, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to always be notified of my videos, and leave your thoughts down below. And yeah, so let's get this started. Before I get started, I just wanted to make this quick little video and letting you know that, everything that's going on in the world right now, I hope that my videos are pretty positive for you guys. And I know it's a really hard time for the whole world right now, and just keep praying, keep positive. Try to listen to the precautions of what they're telling you to do, and just spend more time with your family, find new hobbies. And I know it's really hard for a lot of people right now, either that are working. And I also want to say thank you to all the healthcare providers, all the police officers, firemen, anybody that's out working right now and just making sure this world stays in place. Thank you. And also the people that are not working, honestly, it is a hard time right now for all of us, and we all got to stay together to just stay positive and, keep each other, make sure we stay in contact with each other and stuff like that. I feel like right now is the time to really bring the world together, and loved ones and friends, and just forget any grudge you have with a person, and just really think about life, because life is so short and life can be taken from you so quick, whether it's a loved one, a friend. Life has its mysterious ways, and this coronavirus that's going around, it's very, very scary, especially for the elderly, especially for people with medical conditions, especially for the healthcare providers that are sacrificing their lives to make sure another person is getting well and taken care of. But let's just, down in the below, put a pray emoji for the world, or put a world emoji, and just leave positive messages down below, because I feel like this is the greatest time to bring the world together and bring awareness to this, because it's scary. And I feel like a lot of people that have like a platform like I do that does this could really put a message out there and bring a little positivity and just take away fear and pain and sadness and stress. And also for the children, I try to keep my little cousins and people's kids sane, because they don't understand what's going on right now. So just make sure you're talking to your kids, make sure you're talking to your loved ones, just do anything in your power to stay together. And yeah, I just wanted to put this message in this video because it is getting scarier by the day, and I feel like I should have just mentioned this now, but definitely put a world emoji or a praying emoji, and just write a positive message and or how you're feeling about this whole situation. But yeah, first off, I'm gonna start off with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just spread that through my whole face. I feel like back in the 2000s, when I was researching of how the makeup look, it was matted foundation. So this foundation, it is matted foundation, where it looks like what they did back in the 2000s. And sorry guys, I received a message midway and I was like, what's this? So I got distracted, but I'm pretty much blending that out through my whole face, between my eyes, my neck, my cheeks, my forehead, and just blending that out with the Beauty Blender. I feel like the Beauty Blender is the perfect tool to blend out foundation. Now I'm going in with my Mario setting spray. I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender and just damp that away and make sure it doesn't make my foundation cakey like and my face looks hydrated. Now I'm going in with my all-time favorite concealer, my ColourPop concealer, and just putting that under my dark circles and using that as a primer for the eyeshadow look. And just blending that out with the same Beauty Blender. Obviously you guys can tell it doesn't make any difference if I use this Beauty Blender. So I just use this Beauty Blender because it's super soft and it blends out everything really good. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Great Lash, and actually this is for your lashes, but I actually use it for my eyebrows, just to put them in place and keep them in place all day. And then I go in on my other eyebrow, and then because you guys can see there is some concealer and foundation that came up, I go in with my Beauty Blender and just blend it out. Now I'm going in with my all-time favorite contour palette. Oh, it got blurry. I didn't even realize that. But I'm going in with my all-time favorite contour palette, and I'm just making myself look tan because in the 2000s, sun tanning or bronzer was a big thing back in the 2000s from what I read. So I wanted to give myself color and just make myself look all good and tan for you guys in this video. So I used my big fluffy brush and just blended that all out. Now I'm going in with my 39L Hit the Light palette. This is honestly my favorite palette so far and I'm in love. So the look that I was going for was more of the frosted, like Britney Spears type of look of the early 2000s, how she looked. So she used to do it like right in the corner of her eye and just put like a frosted white shadow or like a frosty look, if that makes sense. So that's the look that I was generally going for, but I actually added some bronzer like on my crease because I felt like it brung the whole look together. So I thought maybe let me just bring some bronze to the look. And I'm adding some frosty white to my outer part of my eye, like the inner part, and just gonna keep doing that on both of my eyes. Obviously you guys can tell I am going in with some more because I feel like I wanted it to like stand out, if that makes sense, and I feel like I picked the perfect shade. I just felt like I wasn't putting enough, so that's why I actually added on this part, because I kept adding more and more intensity to the inner corner of my eye. So now I'm going in with my eyeliner, and I'm using my e.l.f. eyeliner, and I feel like back in the 2000s the eyeliner wasn't a big thing, so I feel like it was pretty basic from the research that I was doing. So I felt like the big thing in the 2000s was the frosted eyeshadow, the eyebrows, the lips, and the suntan skin. So yeah, I'm just using my e.l.f. eyeliner and just doing that on both eyes. Now I'm going in with my white eyeliner, and white eyeliner actually on the waterline was a big thing back in the 2000s. As you guys can tell, my eyes were really red in this video, and it was because my eyes were being so sensitive from the makeup. I don't know why, but yeah, white eyeliner was a big thing back in the 2000s. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal primer. I'm obsessed with this primer. It does so much justice for my my eyelashes, and it really brings an intense look for my eyelashes. It really helps bring my eyelashes out. So usually I like to put in this what's it called, primer, and just let it dry, and then I'm gonna bring down actually on my lower lashes and just let it dry, and then I'm gonna go in with my other favorite product, which is my telescopic L'Oreal mascara. If you guys want to know where I got this at my local CVS. You can get it at Rite Aid, Walgreens. It will be there. It is so inexpensive and it's worth your money. So definitely invest your money on something like this because it's definitely worth it. Look how good my lashes look, guys. Like, God blessed me with some beautiful lashes, and also my lashes have been falling out, so I've been putting this product also, and it's made my lashes super long, so which I'm happy about. But this product just has been so good to me, and I just love how it makes my bottom lashes look and my upper lashes, and it really brings out the more natural look. Now I'm going in with my NYX lip liner, and I feel like this is like a pretty basic color that I was using. It literally matches the color of my lips. So I'm just making a lip liner just to make my lips look a little bigger because my lips are really small. And then I'm going to go in with some clear gloss because gloss was popping in the early 2000s. I don't care. I did my research. Lip gloss was a big thing back in the 2000s. So if you didn't wear lip gloss, your lip gloss wasn't popping. Okay guys, so this is the final makeup look. I did like the frosted look right here because that was like a big thing in the 90s. And I did typical eyeliner and a little bronzy look, and then I put bronze on my face. And then obviously I had to feature the butterfly clips, which was a big thing back in 2000. And then lip gloss. I will be giving you guys a montage, so stay tuned right after this outro. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in 2010. Bye guys.